Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I'm decorating my planner spread for the week of February 9th through the 15th. I have this seasonal love sticker book from Live Love Posh. This is such a good book. It's got really cool stickers in here. So I'm going to use the February themed sticker sheets from here, which is Valentine theme. So yeah, this one's gonna be really cute. So this one goes from January to June, so it has a theme for each month that you can use in a planner spread. And then I like this one because it has decorative stickers, floral stickers, these really cute clustered box, and then just regular functional stickers, alphabet stickers, numbers, washi, and then these sticker papers, which I'm definitely going to be using these in this spread. So that is the plan for this one, since this is the week of Valentine's Day. So let me see what else is going on this month or this week. I think that's my only thing. Okay, so yeah, not much plans here, just normal plans, normal to-dos. But I did want to do a Valentine themed spread just because why not? It's pretty and I love this book, and especially this section from this planner or from the sticker book. Okay, so I'm going to take some of these, oh, I'm ripping them. These big florals, be careful when you take them out because, yeah, I like ripping them. All right, this one's going to go on the corner because it's cut for a corner. And then I'll put another one over here on this side. Try not to rip this one. Okay, so this one will go here. And then I might use this piece somewhere else. Ooh, cutting the page. Alright, and then this piece we'll put here, and I'll just repunch these edges. And then I might do one here. Got one more. Okay. I think that's good for florals. And then I want to add some washi. I feel like this spread's going to come together pretty quickly because there's just a lot of pre-made stuff that I can use. I love the polka dot, but I also really like the conversation heart one. But I think I might use the sticker paper to bring that design in. Okay, so let's put some washi down. Washi stickers. Okay, so I only have enough for not top and bottom. So I'm gonna do this bottom one and then a top one over there on the other side. Come on. I'm pulling it off wrong. Okay, let me try that again. There it goes. Okay. So this piece will go over here. This side. Okay, good. And then maybe I can bring in the lips. I don't know. I want to do something with this and also this. Ooh, these are all actually all cute. Okay, let me just rip this out. And then that way I can like rip it. How do I want to use this? Okay, I'm thinking of just like putting ripped pieces around the page. So I'm just going to start ripping and going from there. All right, so a little rip there. Let's do that. And then try to take the backing off. It's gonna be a little bit more difficult since I don't have the, oh no, it's actually not hard. Tweezers help. Okay, so I have this piece. I'm just going to run across the page like so. And I'll layer things on top And then we'll do one coming this way. Actually, do the rip coming this way. This way. Alright, I have one coming this way off the page. Oops. I'm gonna go closer to the edge. Oh, what am I doing? Not going far enough to the edge. Okay, let me just, jeez. Do it this way. Okay. Like that. Looks a little odd right now, but I'm gonna make it work, okay? And then I might use this, possibly. We'll put this aside right there for now. All right, and then I'm gonna go get some boxes. Now, I kind of want to do some of these clustered ones because I think these are really pretty. So let's add some of these onto the page. Okay, this is a good one for over here. Add in some of these like strip ones. I really like this one too. I can do this one here. Another little strip one. See, it's coming together. Looks cute. Let's do a smaller one. Okay, get this off. I still have decorative stickers to put down too, but we'll get there. Maybe I'll layer this one here for the weekend. And I'll do this one. Put it here. All right, and then I kind of want a box here. I'm gonna go to the plain ones though. Let's do pink for this weekend section, or not the weekend, for the sidebar. I'll do that one, and then I'll do a red one here. And let me add some solid ones over here. Okay, so I have this pink one I'll put here, and then a small one. Okay, and then I'll put some bullet points down, but I kind of want to go to the decorative stickers, more decorative stickers, like these cute ones here. Okay, I want to do, these are cute, like the food ones. It's like pancakes, heart-shaped pancakes and a donut. That's cute. We'll go with that over here. We got some lips. Put some of those around. The little glasses. It's cute. Glasses. More donuts. Just add a donut there. Let's see what else we got. I got this little puppy. That's cute. Do more of the lips. And let's see about, so I don't have quotes. I do have these letters though. I kind of want to add these in, but I'm going to do them. I'm going to use them for headers. All right, so we'll put plans here. I don't have a lot of plans this week, so I feel like I can cover things up a little bit more, which is good. More decor. Yeah, this is a not busy week, just normal to-dos. So we'll make it cute. Put this off. Okay, it says plans. Okay, and we're gonna do the pink again. It's darker pink. Oh, what am I doing? That's an M. N. Plans. Then an S. And then I'll do to do over here because that's another like smaller kind of header I can do on this side. To and then D. I realized I didn't give myself enough space for Sunday. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna fix that. Because Saturday and Sunday is usually when I have things I need to do, so kind of need to, I might take this off. I don't think it's gonna come off. Oh, actually, maybe. Like, I still want this here, I just want less of it over here. So we're going to put this a little bit more angled. And then that gives me more room here for plans, which I think is better. Because like I said, I don't have a lot of plans for this week, but I do have a lot more that I like to write in my planner for the weekend. Okay, that'll have to do. That's fine. And then I can do some bullet points and stuff here. All right, so let's do bullet points. Oh, I do have headers here too, or checklists. A checklist here. Let me cut this down a little bit. I'm gonna cut the last one off. Put this here. I do have these headers. No, I'll put priorities because I don't want to do and to do on top of each other. I'll put priorities and then I'll put to do. Put it here. And another little box like that one. Okay. It's very Valentine's theme, so that's good. I do want to get some more like washi on the spread, so I'm just gonna go and get more. Do this one, I think. Let's see how this one will look. It's kind of thick though. Let's see if I can add this. If I do it here. A little bit here. Okay, and then maybe some bullet points. All right, I'm gonna do the solid color. Let's do pink on this side. A couple here. And then I'll do a couple here. Let's do red. Okay. I think that's gonna be it. Came out cute. It's really pretty. All right, so that is gonna be my Valentine themed spread for this week. Again, it came together pretty quick. Okay, I'm looking at how long this has been filming, and it's been 15 minutes. So yeah, these spreads definitely come together pretty quick thanks to all this like cute clustering and all the things being matching already. Ooh, I can't wait to use this one for summer. I love that one. But yeah, it's a great sticker book. Definitely check it out. There is a version where it is July through December. So for the second half of the year. And you'll have all these really cute themed stickers to decorate with. Still have tons more left. I might add in some more. No, I think it looks pretty good. But yeah, you can see I still have tons of stickers left. Still have this whole page really, and this. There's still tons of boxes left, letters, all kinds of stuff, more washi. So you could really get a couple of spreads out of this book for each section, which is really good. Okay, so that's gonna be it. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.